Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect a file. Let's get started. If you want to put a password on your file, how do you do it? Go to File, click on Info, and then select Protect Workbook. You'll get this drop-down. And if you choose the second option, it says Encrypt with Password. So click on this option, and it gives me a dialog box. Make sure you enter a password and remember it. I'll enter a password. Then click OK. Confirm it again and click OK. So now what it says is if I close the file and reopen it, it will ask me for a password. A password is required to open this workbook. Let's try how we can go about it. So I'll just close this file and save it. Okay, I've saved this file on the desktop. If you see I've saved this file, when I double-click on this file, it will ask me for a password before opening the file. Enter the password. If I enter an incorrect password, it will throw an error message. What I need to do is double-click and enter the password, then hit Enter. So now the file is open. But how do you remove the password from the file? It's very simple. Go to File, click on Info, and then select Protect Workbook. Again, click on the option to encrypt with a password. Now if you see there are 3 dots that are given for the password, what you can do is keep your cursor and remove it. And press OK. Now the file is not protected. So now, what I'll do is I'll close the file, save it. And now if I double-click and open it, it opens because there's no password on this. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.